Went out of town for the weekend and look what I came back home to. Some big old cucumbers. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh boy, it's time to harvest some cucumbers here. Look at that one, yes. All of this rain been happening here while we've been gone. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Let me get in here and see what else I need to harvest. Oh boy. The rain helped them cucumbers to get big. Okay, okay. Yes. Oh boy, look at the bell peppers. Okay, bell peppers, I need to harvest you guys. Oh yeah, look at that bell pepper. Oh, look at those bell peppers. Okay. Let's see any more cucumbers. Oh, that look beautiful. Hanging off my little TP trellis that I made. Yes. Look at the vines growing all up there. A lot of yellow blooms there, more cucumbers to come. Look, I think I see one down here too. Looking down. Okay, I see you. Ah! Okay, okay, cucumbers. I gotta harvest a lot of cucumbers. Oh, look at you. Laying back there. Okay, cucumbers. Let's see, any more? Any more hanging down? I see some green beans. I see you, green beans. Look at my corn growing here. Okay, okay, I see some silk coming through there. Okay, let's see if we can find some more. Any more cucumbers? Oh, look at that one. Okay, okay. I see a bunch of snails too. I gotta get this harvest on the way. I sure don't want any snails. Oh, there goes another one there. Okay, cucumbers. Don't want any pests eating on you. Oh, there goes another one right there. Okay, cucumbers. Okay, I'm getting ready to harvest you. I'm getting ready to harvest you. Yes, I am. This is beautiful. Yes, cucumbers grown in Big Mama's garden. I think this may be the biggest cucumber I have harvested so far. Look how big and beautiful you are. Oh, it's so heavy too. Nice cucumbers. Yes, you are. Look at all those cucumbers. Oh, they look so beautiful. Yeah, all the rain was pretty bad for my spaghetti squash and my yellow squash over here. Need to harvest them and clean out this bed and start over and sow some more squash over in this area. My poor avocado tree, the wind just took all the leaves off of it. Stripped it naked there. Come on, you gotta grow back for me. Come on. Look at here, my first blueberries. Oh, look at them. Look at them, y'all look beautiful. Oh, I think I better cover you guys up with some netting or these birds gonna come over here and really eat all these blueberries. Look at that. Oh, blueberries, y'all look good. Yes, you do. Ah, let's see, any over here coming in? Oh, Lord, I see something that munched on you. Oh, yeah, I better get the netting. Better get the netting. Okay, because these birds gonna eat you up before I can get you. Oh, let me try you. Look at that, my first blueberry harvest. Ah, blueberries grown in Big Mama's garden. Look at that. Okay. Tastes good. Tastes good. Okay, blueberries. Let me see if I can harvest a few of you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Harvest these blueberries and cover you up with some netting before the birds eat you up. Because they see the blue colors on the berries now. They know everything is matured and they ready to eat you. They didn't like you when you was green, but they gonna eat you when you're blue. Okay, okay, okay. My blueberries, yes, yes, yes. My first bell pepper harvest of the season. Looking good, yes you are. Okay, let me get busy harvesting the rest of these bell peppers. Okay. Look at these beautiful bell peppers. Okay. Time to harvest you. Yes. Yes. Beautiful bell pepper harvest from Big Mama's garden. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Today's harvest from Big Mama's garden. Spaghetti squash, yellow straight neck squash, cucumbers, bell peppers. I did harvest some blueberries, a handful of blueberries, but once they got inside, they was gone. They all said they was sweet too. Okay, nice harvest from Big Mama's garden.